Okay, y'all, just going to do some blanching of some potatoes. Going to make some French fries a little later. So, got the potatoes all washed up. Just going to get them all chopped up now into nice French fry size. Okay, they're all chopped now. Nice French fry size. Just gonna rinse them off. Get them all nice and rinsed first. All right, we're gonna take these and put them in the boiling water. So let's go ahead and drain some of this out. And then slowly, carefully put them in the boiling water. Okay, we're gonna let that come back to a boil and we're gonna boil it for just 6 minutes. Boiling is done. We're going to drain these and shock them in some water and some ice. So let's get these drained. Some water here. Let's get some ice in there to get that nice and cold. Now these go into the ice water. And we leave this in here until they're cool to the touch. So, a few minutes hopefully. All right, so they're nice and cool to touch. Now we're gonna drain these again. We're just gonna put them in here and let them air dry for like 15 minutes. Okay, so now we're gonna make some hamburger. I got some ground pork and some ground beef, and I've added my seasonings and some kosher salt and pepper. We're just gonna mix this up really good and we'll make hamburger patties out of this. Okay, we're gonna form these into some good patties here. Just put them in their little mold. Press down on it a little bit like so. And then we'll take these out. Okay, now we're going to take our fries. It's time to cook some fries, y'all. Take the fries that we blanched. Load them up into our fryer basket. Looks like a good amount. We don't want to overdo it. Get those suckers cooking. All right, and while those are cooking, now let's get these burgers on this grill. Get some butter melting for our hamburger buns. Add a little bit more seasoning to these burgers. And of course, some salt. Oh yeah, put some buns on. Forgot to show that. Just toasting some buns for the burgers. Oh yeah, forgot to do the fries. These are the fries out of the fryer. Nice and crispy and yummy.